Hello and welcome everyone. I am Brice, one of the super prof here at Prêt, Parler, and I'm very excited to tell you more about our fide preparation group lessons, the perfect way to get you ready for your fide speaking and also understanding test, which is quite essential actually for your C permit or your Swiss naturalization process. So what makes this course so special? Basically, you have two options. The first option is to join our intensive program, which is a program running over 5 weeks with 2 lessons per week, 2 hours lessons per week. And also the other option is a program running over 10 weeks. And it's really interesting because you will join a small friendly group with 4 to 6 participants. So it's really interesting because you will be able to speak and practice more easily. It is designed for learners with at least A2 or an early B1 level, and it focuses especially on the real structure and topics of the FIDE exam. We work through 10 key everyday themes, and you'll get to practice, I think, over 30 realistic FIDE style simulations. You'll also learn useful strategies and speaking tips from your experienced teachers, all of whom have worked extensively with expats preparing for life in French-speaking Switzerland, and who also have passed with success the FIDE test. So what are the key benefits? You'll practice real-life Swiss French, the kind of language and expressions you'll actually hear or use in daily life. The lessons are online, of course, super flexible, perfect for busy professionals, parents, or anyone who needs structure and support. Like I said before, it's small groups, and you will enjoy a motivating, interactive group dynamic. And basically, you're not alone in this journey, so don't worry, the teacher will be here to help you, to guide you, and to motivate you, because like I said, sometimes you need the C permit or the Swiss naturalization process if you really want to be more integrated in this country. So we are here to help you. Our next session starts on September the 1st, 2025. So I think it's the perfect time to register and secure your spot. We have a few spots left. But if you need more information, you can definitely contact our administration team, and we will be happy to give you more information. Also, we offer a free placement test to help you find the right spot. Maybe you know already, I am an official FIDE examiner, so I am really aware of the expectations. And hopefully, I'm looking forward to seeing you in class very soon. In the meantime, passez une très bonne journée, bonne rentrée en septembre et j'espère vous voir très bientôt chez Prêt à Parler.